Welcome to Mr. Camper Lover. In this video, I'll be talking about noise problems in hotpoint or INSA or Ariston vented or Splendid vented tumble dryer. Ariston Creator INSA Proline hotpoint vented dryer. Starting with, if your machine is making a grinding noise, such as this could be a sign that's of this worn bearings. Yeah, if there's something rubbing, something catching inside, that could be due to worn bearings making the noise. And if yours is making a nasty squealing noise, it's from worn belt tensioners, worn out belt tensioners. And if yours is like making noise like that, it can make a real clatter of a noise, bearings grinding noise at the back. I must keep an eye out for it. That's working by.